Okay, here I am standing at the top of the old steps into the air raid shelter. These are the new walls leading down into the shelter. Let's go and have a look around. Okay, so you come down this little flat roofed area of the duck, and then the main chamber, which you can see better on the photos. Video doesn't want to pick it up. Here we go. With its curved concrete roof and the meat hooks, the original meat hooks. The hole in the back was for a pump in case water, it was raining outside, bad weather, and water came into the air raid shelter. They were able to pump it out. Just going to walk down to the end, turn around just to show you the entrance, and then walk out. Here's the old steps. I'll be putting some new steps up to join with the door which leads into our kitchen. Okay, at the moment I have to climb the steps. Here's Sophie, come to see what I'm doing. She's on the top of the shelter. Okay, let's go down, turn around, show you the shot that here's the shot that I took a picture of for you. The air raid shelter, which is about 4 feet into the ground. What the children will have to imagine is that on top of that was a large mound of earth, probably 2 or 3 feet of earth completely on top of the air raid shelter, which was there so that if the bombs landed, the earth would explode off the top of the shelter, but the shelter would stay intact. Okay, taking progress, making progress, that's what I meant to say. There you go, love. Use it, but don't use the soundtrack. Cheers, bye.